Analândia, I'm here in these beautiful rocks. Morro do Cuscuzeiro. This chopper number 2 is good though.
Let's go, Henrique Paulo.
Let's go, let's go. Let's go, Walter. Let's go, buddy. Folks, now I'm walking. It's a beautiful walk here. When I say so, it's because apparently, I'm not sure, but I will find out, and any detail I will leave it in my video description. Go ahead and check it out, guys, and you also will see my gears and everything, how much is the price of this tour and everything, because actually you gotta pay to come here. Remember, guys, you must pay to come here, all right, to enter and see this spectacular and unique natural monument, guys, because truly is a beautiful thing in the natural being created for all of us. The sad thing is, like, we gotta pay, but you know what, why we have to pay in so many places around the world? I think it's because we ourselves create this, not to just take care of the natural environment, it's because to protect them, because people have to pay to don't let them go and throw garbage in those places. I think that's the reason, you know. So, well, we gotta just keep dealing with this, all right? So, no further ado, I'm going to approach, and as soon as I get there, I'm going to try to deploy my drone and take shot, you know, and closer B-roll shot for all of you folks to enjoy here. Remember, this is chopper number 2. All right, folks, let's see. You got two options, guys. You come here, you can go into the left, south or north. And when I say so, it's because you come here all the way and you cannot surround or make the hike around the whole mountain you got an option just only to go to the left or to the right and come back. Understood, folks? Once you come here, keep that in mind, right? Dudes here doing rock climbing, and it looks super interesting. I wish you could afford that right now and do that, but sadly we are here just to take those shots, you know, for all of you folks. But I was still filming them, you know, to see what's going on, how that look, you know, with the drone. That would look super good though.
Let's go.
Let's go. Let's go. Let's go, Walter. Let's go, buddy. That guy right there. Big shot up for that guy, Walter. Helped me up a lot, you know. When I say help me up, it's like to bring me here. Yeah. Beautiful, guys. Beautiful. Take a look at that. Breathtaking. Seriously. Not easy. What I have to do. Huh? What I have to do, guys, you know, for all of you and for myself. I hope I can fly the drone here because I don't know, guys, if you've been flying the drone. So for those who are watching this video are drone pilots, you know how hard it is, you know, to fly or deploy the drone close to the rocks, because that will create the electromagnetic field. But anyhow, I'm gonna try to deploy the drone. I'm gonna try to fly the drone. Morro do Cuscuzeiro. This is the first attraction here for me, folks. If you're coming to Sao Paulo, Brazil, you must visit and come and check this little town with the name Analândia here. And you will see Morro do Cuscuzeiro. So much waterfall. Guys, this place is just packed of adventure. so much more, you know, guys. So what do you think, guys? Just let me know in the comment. So chapter number 2 is done. Promise is promised. Now it's chapter number 3 coming ahead. I don't know what we could get. I don't know what all the place we're going to see. So it's a surprise even for me and for you guys. So stay tuned, because the next Friday eu vou postar outro novo vídeo, galera. Falou? Subscreva meu canal, dê o dedo arriba e compartilhar com todos os seus amigos, de que natureza é uma casa para todos nós outros, gente. Falou, galera? Thank you very much. Until the next time, right? Don't go. Chapter number 3. Remember that, folks, right? Thank you very much, Morro of Cuscuzeiro, to allow me to see you and meet you. Until the next time.